Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Chat with Arijack. I have been always telling that this is the place where we don't only just learn English, we live it, we speak it, and we try to just master it. So if you are also just one of them who have been following my channel, you already know that we are on a mission to break all the barriers and speak English fluently with more confidence. And today's video is just going to be the game changer for each and every one of you. Because I am about to share the ultimate method that will really take your English from just learning to truly fluent. So stay till the end because this is something that I'm going to talk about, that something that nobody tells you about. So the very first thing, the biggest mistake that people make while learning English. But wait, before I just give you the ultimate method, let me just ask you something. Why do most of the people fail at speaking English? Is it because they don't have enough words to speak? No. Or is it because they don't know the grammar? No. The biggest mistake is that they keep learning English but they never practice speaking it. So that is the real reason. You just think about it. How did you learn your first language? Did you sit with the books? No. You heard the people, right? You copied their words, right? You spoke to them, right? And you made a lot of mistakes and you got the better on it. Isn't that? You got better on it. So that's the secret. If you want to speak English, you must speak English. So today, the formula which I'm just going to introduce here to each and every one of you, that is called immersion formula. Learn like a native speaker. To be very honest, fluency is not just about knowing lot of more words. It is just about making English a part of your daily life. And the best way to do that is to just go through the immersion method. Let me just elaborate it. See, immersion method is just consisting of 4 factors. Let me just go each one of them one by one. The first factor is that think in English. Don't translate. Start with small sentences like I'm drinking water, I need to call my friend. That is what you can do easily. And the second factor that comes about, speak to yourself. Look into the mirror and talk. Describe your day in English. It sounds funny, right? But I must say, it really works. It really works. That is also magically. And the third factor is that talk to the people in English. Find a partner or join an English speaking group, or even you can just also join me. There is no doubt I will just help you. Even I have been also just looking for opportunities that I have been also just looking for an opportunity to just speak with any one of you. Okay, so the fourth factor is that use English mode. Mode means what I can say, just like example, change your entire phone language. Okay, and watch some English contents and listen to the music in English. See, to be very honest, the more English you consume, the more natural it will become. So keep it in mind. So moving forward to our last formula, or the last thing that I want to tell is about the power of real conversation. Now, let me just share the biggest hack to mastering English. That is none other than the real conversation. See, my brothers and sisters, you cannot become fluent by just reading the books, okay, or just doing the exercises and all. You must speak English to the real people. That is why I have just created the Fluent Chat with Arijack to help you all practice English in real time. When it comes about speaking to the people, or the speaking to or talking to the different people, can really boost your energy, can really boost your confidence, and it also can really help you to improve your fluency and make learning much more fun. So tell me, are you going to take that action? Because fluency is not just about a dream, it is a result of the efforts that you put in today. So at the end, I just want to tell you, I'm just going to leave you a message for every one of my dearest viewers. Listen, English is not just a subject. It is a skill. For example, just like swimming and cycling, how did you learn it? You learn it by doing it, right? In the similar way, you have to also practice it a lot. And you have to learn it by doing it. Not by having that much more, like a lot of theoretical ideas. That doesn't really work nowadays. The actual thing that you have to do is that you have to do it practically. Sorry. To be very honest, my brothers and sisters, nobody is bad at English. You just have not practiced enough. But today is the day. can really change that. So at the end, I'm just going to challenge you, start speaking English today itself. Even if it is just for 5 minutes also, or even if you're just making any mistakes, don't be bothered enough for that particular things, because I must say that making mistakes is just the part of learning. You have to just take it positively, not negatively. Because I must say, because every mistake that you make brings you closer to the fluency. Remember, keep it in mind. And always remember, the people who have succeeded already are not that smarter. They are the people like that who never ever stopped trying the things. So like that, you also, the same kind of formula is also applied into your life. You never ever stop learning the things, never ever stop practicing it. Oh, at the end, my brothers and sisters, I just want to tell you, if this video has really opened your eyes and gave you any kind of motivation, do like and share it with your friends, and drop a comment and just let me know what is your biggest challenge in speaking English. What tip that you are just going to apply first. And at the end, don't forget to just subscribe the Fluent Chat with Arijack, because this is just only the beginning of our journey to unstoppable fluency. So until that, this is Arijack signing off. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep shining. And see you all in my next video. Until that, take care of yourself and take care of your brothers and sisters and all your family members as well. Thank you and God bless you.